Today's lesson is adding integers. Our goal is that we can add integers. Remember that you should pause it to write things down, and that you should rewind it if you need to hear something again. And if you have a question, bring it to me next time we see each other in class. Additive identity. The sum of a number and the additive identity, 0, is the number. Examples, 5 plus blank equals 5. So if I add 0 to 5, we're going to get 5. A plus blank equals A. 0 again will give me the same number. Therefore, the additive identity is 0. Additive inverse. The sum of a number and its additive inverse is 0. Another name for a number's additive inverse is its opposite. Examples, 5 plus the opposite of 5, which is negative 5, gives us 0. A plus the opposite of A is negative A. So A plus negative A is 0. All right, too much stuff. Let's start with 2 plus 1 is 3. Negative 2 plus negative 1 is negative 3. 2 plus negative 1 is 1. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So, the rule for same sign addition. First, I don't like this color. I need a different color with that orange. All right, we add the absolute values. You can see that up here. We've got 2 plus 1. We got a 3. We got a negative 2 plus negative 1. We got a 3. But then we've got the negative signs. So then, for the second sign, we apply the shared sign. So when they're both positive, that's like we've always done. They're positive. The new part of this is when we have the negatives, we have to apply this negative that is in both of them. So we apply the shared sign. Okay. Okay, here's where it becomes a little bit different. We have different sign addition. The first rule is that we're going to actually subtract the absolute values. If you look at this, we've got 2 plus negative 1, and we got a 1. So we're subtracting. So we subtract the absolute values. So we're not paying attention really to the fact that which one's bigger or anything, or we're paying attention to which one's greater, the 2 and the 1, and we're subtracting them, the 2 and the 1, and then we pay attention to the sign. This one's got a greater absolute value, this one right here. Okay, so we apply the sign of the number by the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. So we're going to try this again. So we've got 100 plus 50. So we add those together, we get 150. Negative 100 plus negative 50. So we've got same sign, right? So we add them, we get 150, but then we got to apply the sign that we were given, which is a negative, right? Negative 100 plus 50, our signs are different, so we subtract. 100 minus 50 is 50. Then we take the sign of the one with the greater absolute value, which is this one, the negative. Okay? Down here, 100 plus 50. Again, we subtract 100 minus 50, we get 50. And 100 has the greater absolute value, so it's positive. Okay? So, that's our lesson. And I will see you in class.